Construction is the oldest and one of the largest industries in the world with its market size of about $10 trillion. Real estate and infrastructure construction plays a huge role in propelling other industries and countries' overall development. By 2025, construction market in India is expected to emerge as the third largest globally with an annual growth rate of 7.1%. Concrete is an amazing material, which is widely used in the construction of buildings, bridges, pavements, and many other structures. Various properties including compressive strength, durability, and versatility make it a suitable and most popular construction material. Worldwide, over 10 billion tons of concrete are being produced each year. However, occurrence of microcracks in concrete is a common phenomenon due to its poor tensile strength and the environment in which concrete is placed. It needs serious attention. Dr. Shihabuddin, Dr. Nithidharan, and their team has developed a bio-derived sealant named IInvenTive for sealing structural and non-structural microcracks in concrete. The product is unique and the first of its kind considering its origin, biocompatibility, and excellent ability to plug microcracks in concrete.
Welcome all. This is Shihabuddin Maliyekal from Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering, Indian Institute of Technology, Tirupati. Dr. Maliyekal is the principal investigator of the project titled Bio-derived Sealant for Healing Microcracks in Concrete. The project is funded by the Science and Engineering Research Board, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. The project is carried out in collaborations with Dr. M. Nithidharan, Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering, IIT Tirupati. The product is the results of hard works of students including Abhin, Afra, Uttara, Sonali and Shubal. Dr. Saujit Sengupta is also contributor to the project. The team has developed a bio-derived sealant named EcoNanoSeal for healing structural and non-structural microcracks in concrete. The product is unique and first of its kind considering its origin, biocompatibility and excellent ability to plug microcracks in concrete. The occurrence of microcracks in concrete is a common phenomenon and it needs serious attention. It is difficult to completely prevent the development of cracks on the surface of the concrete due to its poor tensile strength. Depending upon the environment in which the concrete is placed, several types of cracks can form. Though all the cracks do not cause serious risk to the structure's safety, the distributed microcracks may spread, coalesce, and align themselves to form macrocracks of large width and depth at critical locations. These cracks provide a preferential path for corrosive liquids and gases and can endanger the durability of the structure if the cracks are not sealed properly on time. They may even grow wider and expose the reinforcement to the outside environment. This will accelerate the corrosion of the reinforcement and may leads to the catastrophic collapse of the structure. Therefore, the repair of the cracks, both structural and non-structural, is crucial for maintaining the aesthetic appearance and preserving the strength and durability of the structure. Several man-made and self-healing approaches have been developed to tackle these inherent characteristics of the concrete. Each method has its own merits and demerits, and the choice of the technique and the material is primarily a function of the cause and nature of the cracks. Among the various methods available, injecting structural adhesives like polyurethane, epoxy or acrylic based chemicals into the crack is a mature technology and is widely practiced in the field. However, these polymers are costly and environmental unfriendly and hence unsustainable. Moreover, most of the repair products used are of foreign origin. Thus, there has not been much research on the performance of these materials in India. Considering that the right repairing agent plays a significant role in the maintenance process, finding suitable and sustainable repairing material is the need of the hour. It is worth noting that the use and maintenance phase of the building is the major contributor to the environmental impact of the entire life cycle of the building. According to published data, the embodied energy of the building alone contribute up to 60% of the energy consumption during the life cycle of the building. With the current trend and advancement of building towards lower operational consumption, the future attention shall be on reducing the embodied energy of the building and repairing materials. In this context, we have developed a waste derived and renewable sealant for healing microcracks in concrete. The sealant is named EcoNanoSeal. The primary constituent of EcoNanoSeal is a biopolymer derived from aquaculture waste, chitin. The biopolymer is modified with graphene oxide, corrosion inhibitors and porosity controlling agents to improve the stability and the performance. The renewable materials are bio-friendly and have few ideal qualities of a microcrack sealant, such as polymerizing and film forming ability under alkaline environment, hydraulic stability, tunable viscosity, and ability to penetrate deep cracks, and excellent bonding with the concrete surface. The EcoNanoSeal can be injected into the surface cracks using appropriate techniques. The EcoNanoSeal is pH sensitive, and in the alkaline environment it polymerizes and forms a solid plug inside the microcracks. There is no need for any external polymerizing agent for solidifying the sealant. EcoNanoSeal bond with concrete crack surface and forms a flawless joint through forming a covalent bond with aluminum and calcium in the matrix. The nanofibers present in the EcoNanoSeal enhances the physical interactions with the cement matrix. Quick setting and strong chemical bonding help to enhance the mechanical properties of the damaged concrete.
The product is developed and tested in the laboratory now. Now we are gearing up to the bulk production of the sealant and testing it in the field. Most of the commercially available structural adhesives are synthetic polymer based and are eco-unfriendly. Moreover, most of the repair products are of foreign origin. Thus, there has not been much research on the performance of these materials in India. Data also shows only around 20% of the repair products in the Indian market are performing satisfactorily. The indigenously developed EcoNanoSeal at IIT Tirupati is a suitable sealant for the said purpose. There is a significant demand for the effective, durable and sustainable adhesive considering the popularity of the concrete structure and the recurring nature of the problem. We believe the properties of the EcoNanoSeal such as ease of use, impermeability to gas, ability to seal deep cracks, good tensile strength, stress immunity, anti-corrosive property can make the sealant a potential choice over the acrylic based adhesives. The sealant is a waste derived and a bio-inspired sealant and it is environmentally friendly. The product can be made without the need of a special reactor setup at the ambient conditions. Also, it is easy to use and can be applied without skilled personnel and specialist contractors. We believe that this would help to create employment and business opportunities for the local people and contribute to the nation's goal of self-reliant India.